Assalamu alaikum everyone. Myself Minhaj Anjum and I am from United Public School Tandu. Dear student, this is our 8th chapter of 10th class, Heredity. So what is the mean by heredity? The transformation of total characters from parents to the generation. So heredity is the sum of biological process by which particular characters are transmitted from parents to their offspring. Both aspects of heredity can be explained by the genes, the functional unit of the heritable materials that are found within all living things. Okay, the transmission or the passaging genetic characters or traits from the parents to their offsprings either through sexual or asexual reproduction is called as heredity. Okay, this is the process by which an offspring cells or organism acquire or become predisposed to the characteristics of parent cell to organisms. Okay, the genes are functional unit of the heredity. Okay, as they are made up of DNA, the chromosomes is made up of DNA, contain many genes. Every gene comprises of the particular set of instruction for a particular function or the protein coding. So speaking in usual terms, genes are responsible for heredity. So who discovered the heredity? This is a common term in general knowledge. Who was Gregor Mendel? Was an Austrian scientist, teacher, and the Augustin Perelate, who lived in the 1800s. He experimented on the garden pea hybrid while living at a monastery as known as the father of the modern genetics. Then what is the three laws of the Mendel? The three laws of the Mendel, already we have to rememberize that. The Mendel law of the inheritance, including law of dominance, law of segregation, and the law of interdependent assortment. So we have the 3 or 4 laws. So these laws indicate the transformation of characters from parents to the progenies. Okay, what is the first law of genetics? The first law. So the first law is law of segregation. So Mendel's first law is the law of segregation. So in this law, the during gametes formation, each member of the alleles pair separated from the other member to form the genetic constitution of the gametes. Okay. Now the second law of the Mendel's. So this is a law of independent assortment. The second Mendel's law. The law of independent assortment, during the gametes formation, the segregation of the alleles, one allele pair is independent or the segregate means separated from the alleles of the another allele pair. Okay. So dear students, the heredity process by which the feature of organism passed from one gene to another generation. Heredity and evolution consisted of the thorough analysis of the questions in chapter 9. So now our topic is theories of evolution, means evolution theories. Various theories have been proposed to explain the process of evolution, but the theories that explain the scientific basis on the organic evolutions are Lamarckianism, mutations, theory of varieties, Darwinism, and modern synthetic theory. Okay. Later we have to discuss the theories of evolution. So now our topic is variations. So our topic is experimental verification of natural selection. The natural selection theories is an important particle proof of the operation of the natural selection is the classical case of industrial melanism exhibited by the prepared mutts. You see here, this is a mutts. Biston Betullaria, the scientific name of the mutts. These mutts were available into 2 colors, grey or black. Okay. Grey or black. Prior of the Industrial Revolution, the grey mutts were abundant. During the Industrial Revolution, the black form were more and the grey form were less in the industrial cities like the Birmingham. Biologists proposed that the Industrial Revolution more soot was released due to the burning of the coal, which resulted in the darkening of the bark of the trees. Grey mutts on the dark bark were easily identified and predated more by birds. Hence, the number of grey mutts decrease and that of the black mutts increase in the population. It means the nature offered positive selection pressure to the black melanic forms. Bernard Kettlewell, as a British ecologist, tested the hypothesis experimentally. He collected both the grey and the black form of Biston betula, the scientific name of the mutts, for his experiment. He realized them into two sets of equal numbers. One set is Birmingham, a polluted urban area, and the other set in the Dorset and the unpolluted area, rural area. After a few days, he recaptured them. Of these mutts recaptured for the Birmingham, there was more black form. Among those recaptured from the desert, there were more grey form. The reason for such differences is the melanic form could not be easily spotted by the predator birds, as their body color merged with the dark color of the bark of a tree in a Brigham area. Okay, we'll take another example, the gene flow. You see here there is the donor population and the reception population. The color of the beetles are different. The movement of alleles from one population to another is called as gene flow. The random instruction of the alleles into the reception population, immigration and their removal of the donor population, immigration affect the allelic frequencies of both of the populations. So we will take another example, genetic drift by chains. So what is genetic drift? The change in the frequency of a gene that occurred merely by chance and not by the selection in small population is called genetic drift or Swirl-Wright effect. So the evolution. Dear student, what is the evolution? Evolution refers to the gradual change from one form to another. Such a change is element within the time of called inorganic evolution. So the concept of organic evolution was first given by the Charles Darwin. The present day complex organisms have originated from the earlier simple form of life during the course of ages by the process of gradual change. So evolution is the constant process of the gradual change occurring in the organism since the origin of life that have give rise to enormous variety of complex organisms on the earth. Example, let us imagine that the group of 12 red beetles. You imagine that there are 4, but you imagine that there is a 12 beetles of red color alive in green leaf on some bushes. Okay, these beetles have the natural tendency to increase the number by sexual reproduction and consequently generating variations. The crows are the natural predator of these beetles. The crow regulate the population of the beetles by eating them and therefore forever beetles are available for the sexual reproduction. So ये पूरे कॉन्सेप्ट में क्या बता रहे हैं कि जो नेचुरल सिलेक्शन थ्योरीज होते हैं, फॉर एग्जांपल आप इमेजिन करो कि ये 12 रेड कलर बीटल्स है. ओके, 12 रेड कलर बीटल्स में फर्स्ट केस हम ले रहे हैं क्रॉ का. सो ये जो रेड कलर के बीटल्स है ये ग्रीन बुशेस में, ग्रीन ग्रासेस, ग्रीन ग्राउंड्स में प्रेजेंट है. इनका पॉपुलेशन 12 है. सो वन क्रॉस अगर इनको डे बाय डे 1 by 1 अगर ईट कर रहा तो इनका पॉपुलेशन ईजिली वहाँ से डिक्रीज हो जाता. सो डे बाय डे यानी 12 डेज में वो 12 बीटल्स को अगर ईट करा तो इनका पॉपुलेशन यहाँ से डिक्रीज हो सकता. सो इनका जो कलर है ये नेचुरल सिलेक्शन नहीं है. इनका ग्रीन कलर पे रेड कलर इजीली आइडेंटिफाइड होता है, इसीलिए क्रॉस इनकी तरफ जल्दी अट्रैक्ट होते हैं. सो ये सेक्सुअली मोड ऑफ रिप्रोडक्शन, आपस में सेक्सुअली मोड ऑफ रिप्रोडक्शन से अपने मोर नंबर ऑफ 12 डेज में ये जनरेट कर सकते हैं क्योंकि इनके अंदर रिप्रोडक्शन होता है. ये स्मॉल लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म है. सो 12 डेज तक 12 बीटल्स प्रेजेंट है. डे बाय डे क्रॉ 1 बीटल्स को अगर ईट कर रहा तो बहुत सारे बीटल्स आपस में सेक्सुअली मोड ऑफ रिप्रोडक्शन को अक्कर करते जिससे इनका पॉपुलेशन इंक्रीज होता. ओके, इनका कलर आइडेंटिफाइड हो रहा क्रॉ के लिए. सो नेक्स्ट अब क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पे, लेट अस अज्यूम दैट बीटल्स डेवलप कलर वेरिएशन ड्यूरिंग द रिप्रोडक्शन. अब यहाँ पे जब रिप्रोडक्शन हो रहा तो ये अपना क्या कर रहे, कलर को चेंज कर रहे. इनके पास टेंडेंसी रहती in the progeny or one beetle develop green body color instead of the normal red color. These beetle can inherited with variation in color on the its progeny too. That's all its offspring are green in color. Cross cannot locate green colored beetles on the green leaves on the bushes cut, but continue to eat red beetles which are easily located on green leaves by them. As a result, number of green beetles in beetle population increase in the generation. Okay, next केस में क्या हो रहा, फर्स्ट केस में था रेड कलर बीटल्स 12 अगर पॉपुलेशन में प्रेजेंट है, कहाँ पे, ग्रीन लीव्स पे, ग्रीन बुशी प्लांट्स पे. अब ये केस हो गया कि क्रॉस इनके कलर से इनको ईजिली ईट कर रहा था. अब इनमें सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन हो रहा है, इनका पॉपुलेशन इंक्रीज हो रहा, उसमें कुछ जनरेशन क्या कर रहे हैं, अपने कलर को चेंज कर रहे हैं. जो एनवायरमेंटल सेटलमेंट एरिया है ग्रीन, वो उसमें चेंज हो जा रहे हैं. सो ये ग्रीन कलर ग्रीन लीव्स और ग्रीन ग्रास पे क्रॉस को आइडेंटिफाइड नहीं हो रहा. कौवों को, कौवे जो होते हैं इनको खाते हैं, सो यहाँ पे आइडेंटिफाइड नहीं हो रहा. सो इनका पॉपुलेशन डे बाय डे थाउजेंड्स ऑफ क्वांटिटी में इंक्रीज हो रहा. बट कंटिन्यूसली क्रॉस कौन सी बीटल्स को ईट कर रहे हैं, यहाँ पे रेड कलर, क्योंकि यहाँ पे रेड उनके पास क्या है, अपीयरेंस कैरेक्टर है, यानी दिखाई देने वाले कैरेक्टर्स है. सभी बीटल्स का कलर एग्जैक्टली ग्रीन कलर में चेंज नहीं होता. कोई एक सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन में एग्जाम्पल 10 बीटल्स अगर फॉर्म हो रहे, उसमें 1 और 2 मैक्सिमम पॉपुलेशन से अपने कलर्स को चेंज करते. तो ये जो पर्पस हुआ, नेचुरल सिलेक्शन थ्योरी हुआ. सो अब फर्स्ट सिचुएशन हो रही थी 12 बीटल्स के बारे में, 12 रेड बीटल्स. इन नेचुरल सिलेक्शन 1 इट इज़ एक्सर्टेड बाय द क्रॉस मोर. सो इस केस के अंदर क्या हो रहा, natural selection is excited by the cross. More the cross are there, more red colored beetles would be eaten by, and more will be the population of green beetles in the populations. Natural selection is directed the evolution in beetle population. In this situation, green colored beetles in the population are adapted to fit better in their environment than the red beetles. Okay. अब डेली क्रॉ क्या हुआ कर रहा, रेड बीटल्स को डेली ईट करा रहे, सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शंस हो रहे, कुछ एलएल्स ग्रीन में चेंज होके ग्रीन पॉपुलेशन फॉर्म कर रहा. सो ग्रीन पॉपुलेशन यहाँ पे रैपिडली ग्रो कर रहा है, तेज़ी से ग्रो कर रहा है. रेड कलर पॉपुलेशन 12 का 12 ही है, मीन्स उनका पॉपुलेशन बहुत आहिस्ता से ग्रो करता. वेरिएशन कैरेक्टर क्या है, कलर. सो इस सिचुएशन में आप देख सकते हैं कि क्रॉ क्या है, ईजिली ग्रीन ऑल रेड बीटल्स को किस तरह से ईट कर रहा. अब इनका पॉपुलेशन डे बाय डे रैपिडली तेज़ी के साथ घट रहा था, कम हो रहा था, क्योंकि रेड कलर क्या है, ग्रीन कलर पे इजीली अपीयर कर रहा, इसीलिए क्रॉस उसको ईट कर रहे. बट नेक्स्ट सिचुएशन में क्या हो रहा है, इनका पॉपुलेशन डिक्रीज करके इनके कुछ एलएल्स, कुछ जीन्स ग्रीन में चेंज हो गए, नेक्स्ट ग्रीन कलर जनरेशन को फॉर्म करे. ओके, यहाँ पे ऑल ग्रीन कलर के ऐसा सिचुएशन आया कि ग्रीन कलर रेड कलर पॉपुलेशन डिक्रीज हुआ, इनमें सेक्सुअली मोड ऑफ रिप्रोडक्शन से या हेरिडेटेबल कैरेक्टर ग्रीन फॉर्म हुए, देन ग्रीन बीटल्स का पॉपुलेशन यहाँ पे इंक्रीज हुआ. सो ग्रीन कलर क्रॉस को यहाँ पे अपीयर नहीं करा, इसीलिए यहाँ पे इनका पॉपुलेशन ग्रो हुआ. ओके, हम ऐसा भी बोल सकते, क्रॉस ईट बीटल्स that they are red ones, the green one has not visible on the green bushes. The green beetles got the survival advantage in participate in the reproduction. As a result, gradually the population of green beetle increased. Okay, green beetles continue to increase in the number by the reproduction. So ये हमारा था नेचुरल सिलेक्शन थ्योरी में 2 सिचुएशंस, एक रेड बीटल्स का पॉपुलेशन एंड ग्रीन बीटल्स का पॉपुलेशन, 2 केसेस हम पढ़े. नाउ द रिमेनिंग टॉपिक्स हम फर्दर क्लासेस में डिस्कस करेंगे. सो आपका होमवर्क है मेंडल्स के 2 लॉस का डेफिनेशन लिख के ग्रुप में सेंड करना है. ओके, थैंक यू सो मच. वी विल मीट इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. अल्लाह हाफिज़.